Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar and you're watching my channel Muhammad Atiq Anwar and Education for Us All. Before we make a start, I ask you to please like, share and subscribe to the channel. So welcome to a new section, and it's going to be called Recipe of the Day. So this has been requested by many people that I should do something like this to sort of try and help them with recipes. So I'm not a chef, so what I always do is to obviously go on to websites, etc., and most of the material that I have is actually from the BBC website. So let's go forward. And today's recipe is lamb curry. So for this, you're going to need these ingredients. Firstly, a kilogram and a half of lamb shoulder. So for those of you that do pounds, that's 3.5 pounds, and we're going to cut that into cubes. We obviously need a paste, about 4 tablespoons, and some oil, sunflower oil. And if you deem extra, can we say, oil, then a generous knob of butter, 2 onions which have to be sliced, a cinnamon stick, a cardamom pod, and moving on, 400 grams of plum tomatoes, doesn't have to be that, and we will need some puree as well, and some stock as well. We could use chickpeas and spinach. We're going to use these are optional. The spinach of course needs to be well washed. Okay, so hope you'll bear with the detailed explanation here. So firstly we're going to place the diced lamb shoulder into a bowl of food bag. Into a bowl or a bag, I should say. You mix in the tablespoons of curry paste, and we're going to leave that for about 30 minutes at room temperature. And if we're going to put it in the fridge, then for 24 hours. Okay. We need to heat the oil in a large heavy based pan and add the onions, cinnamon stick, cardamom, the tablespoon of curry paste. Fry over a medium heat for 10 minutes until the onions are softened and starting to turn golden brown. So I mean that really is a key, the onions, because if you don't soften them, then the taste will remain there, and if you don't like onions, then it's not going to have the curry taste. So we are going to add the marinated lamb after that and fry it for a couple of minutes until the meat has changed color. You don't have to have it browned if you don't wish. Then we're going to stir in chopped tomatoes, tomato puree, and enough stock to cover most of the lamb, with the top pieces uh, just clear of the liquid. Then you're going to add in the chickpeas and bring the mixture to a boil and turn the heat down a little bit, and we need to cook that for an hour to an hour and a half until the lamb is very tender and the sauce is rich and thick. Okay, so it will produce excess fat, so that needs to be spooned away, and then we just season with salt and pepper as per taste, and then these optional things that we can add: spinach. So obviously that's going to cook a lot quicker, so we need to put that in and stir the leaves until they wilt. to the what can we say, to the texture that you would want, and that is it. You would then serve with your favorite rice, chapatis, and any other chutneys. So I hope you'll be able to follow that. So sorry it's a bit lengthy, but that's the BBC for you. Okay, and this is the picture from the website of the final product. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that, guys. I hope you're going to try that. And all I can say is thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Until the next time, I say thank you again. Look after yourselves, look after others. And people like me to speak Urdu. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआ में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज.